I think one of the things that most of our employees will agree is we are much more of a family at Falk PLI and much more flexible than a rigid Fortune 500 company.
It's an ever-changing atmosphere with the innovation and our clients. Very fast-paced. You will not be bored working here at all. For a potential employer, we're looking for integrity. That is a huge one. A willingness to think outside of the box and be a great team player with good communication skills. For some of them, it's been a great career move. Some of them have gone from crew people to engineers to project managers. It's also been nice to see them grow with their families. We've had weddings, we've had births, and they bring their children in. After working here a year, you get a 401, and we put 3% of your salary automatically into that. We have vacation packages, and we also pay for holidays. We have a great dental and medical program and vision, and we do life insurance that we offer, and we pay for that. We have an annual Christmas party here where we have a white elephant gift exchange, which is hilarious. There's lots of laughter and fun with that. We do outings to the baseball games. It's nice to have that type of atmosphere here.